Hello Prime Coders, welcome back to Prime Coding channel. So in today's video, we will be talking about TCS admit card issue as well as many people received TCS admit card by yesterday or day before yesterday. And I got tons of messages in my Telegram group. If you have not joined, please join because we have a great community which help each other. Okay, so many people are able to download, but still most of the people are not able to download. And the tragic part is TCS is also not notifying candidates that the your admit card is published or please go and download, because what actually happened in 15th of March and 20th of March is they got their admit card on the mail that please go and download, and few of the people didn't receive. Due to that, they lost their chance to give or appear for this particular or wonderful opportunity. Okay, so I don't want you to fall into this kind of situation. That's why I am here with this video. Okay, so TCS NQT admit card video, which admit card is not showing because it won't be showing. Like few people were also texting that, sir, on my next portal it was not showing, but on this link we are able to download the admit card. So, and also these kind of new changes is not communicated via DCS, which is a very bad part, but not an issue. We'll see what you can do and how you can proceed with if you're not able to download. So exam date would be 25 to 26th of March, which is tentative TCS NQT date, which is going to happen on 25 and 26th of March. There is a quick request. So I am writing my email ID for all of your reference, which is adityamishra@primecoding.in. Okay, because you studied from prime coding, you studied from multiple videos, you did hardcore aptitude, you practice a lot of programming question. So why don't you contribute back to the community, isn't it? So whatever experience that you have in your NQT exam, it can be of aptitude, how your aptitude exam went, how your coding question went, and if you're sharing the experience of coding question, please be good in that. Write the test cases which you got there and the code which was submitted, so that we will also get idea these inbuilt function was working, these inbuilt function is not working. All experience we do consider it, and we'll definitely give you shout out if you allow us to do. Okay, so want to do next, if your admit card is launched but you have not received any calls or any mails from the DCS. Okay, so you can do so that this link of this particular portal link will be in the description below. You go and directly check this out, because this is the only platform where people are getting their TCS NQT admit card. Okay, so please do check this out if you have received, if you have not received. Or my suggestion would be every 2 days, like on 25 and 26, on in the morning or in the night, please download, try to download it. If your admit card is generated, you will get here. Otherwise, check on the next portal as well, or be active on the channels who are continuously providing a TCS NQT notifications. Okay, so yes, user ID, registration number, you need to put our user password. Now, so you might have received this, but this kind of mail which I got from a candidate on before 20th of March exam slot. Definitely. So he got a mail and he directly forwarded me. So here I can see that your user ID would be given and your user password, registration number will be your first time login password. It can be the first time. You need to reset your password to download your admit card. Most of the people are just trying with their registration number itself, but still they are not able to download. Please, using registration number you won't be, but try to reset it, and when you are able to resetted your password, then you will able to download your admit card. As the same thing happens here in the morning itself. As you can see, there are many facing issues, doesn't even get any solutions. So this is a prime coding community Telegram group, okay, where I am also active, and most of the people who are your peers, who are your juniors, you are your seniors, are there in this group. If you ask any doubts, if you are facing any issues, you can straight away message here. Okay, anyone of the great mind will definitely respond you back if they face the same issues which you are facing and how they overcome from that issue. Okay, so do join it and ask anything with whatever you want. Okay, so do it again. It comes, click on forget password, then they will send you the password mail on your registered email ID. Then you can able to log in and download your respective admit card, because Nageshwari, who she helped many people in the Telegram group, and she only told that this technique worked for her, as you can see. So you can also try. If you're not able to log in this particular, it is showing incorrect credentials, so try to forget the password. If you are able forget password and user ID, then there is a pop-up will generated, so stating that you will receive the mail in few hours or sometimes in your registered email ID. Now it may take days as well, okay, 1 day or 24 hours or 16 hours, because the servers are typically slow nowadays, because multiple requests are continuously going on TCS portal. So try to understand this thing, okay. So this portal link would be in the description. Go and check that out whether your admit card is generated or not. Now if your examination was 25 and 26, you need to practice mock test, otherwise no one can help you out. And if I say the mock test is on the point, like TCS is generating the questions, so yes, before giving analysis, let me tell you, this is a one of the analysis video which I already created on 15th of March. So that was just a highlight of it, that this candidate got benefited from this particular mock test, which is just cost you rupees 56, which no one can provide in this particular market. Two mock tests in this rupees, no one can, okay. And it is of 65 questions plus two programming questions, and it's typically of TCS NQT level. Okay, cool. So you can go through this highlighted part. It will help you to assess that particular mock test is worthful or not. Okay, as this is not the only one, this is a 20th March shift candidate, okay, shift 2 candidate, and he also wrote the same about that mock test which I provided to him, isn't it? So yes, there we have a number of testimonials, and definitely these testimonials will help you out to see or to believe on the contents that people are providing. Okay, do look out the testimonials before getting into something. So check your emails and spam folders. Spam folders is most important. I got multiple messages that I forget to check my spam folder. In my spam folder there are multiple mails, so I never check it. Please check it on daily basis. Sometime you may receive your admit card notification or any TCS NQT notification in your spam folders. So direct link in description, you will be there, okay, that particular portal link which I shown. You just need to go there and get or download your admit card right away. So toll free number, you can try it as well. The worst case that yes, nothing is working for you, you can just straight away call and get. Otherwise these are the email IDs where you can take help, although they take a lot of time. So today if you are facing, like let's say in your batch everyone has been received, but yeah, that is the another part which I want to talk. It may be your admit card is not generated and your friends generated. It doesn't mean that you get ignored, okay. It may be you will get some other day after, okay. So you just need to check if your admit card is generated either in this particular link or either in your next step portal or either in your mail. You will be getting some kind of notification for sure. So you need to check on the daily basis in the morning and the evening, so that you will be on point that whether you have examination by tomorrow, day after tomorrow or not. Otherwise, let's say if you have any issues, any kind of things that you want to ask, you can just mail them here. They will help you out, okay. This is a required document, guys. Don't forget it, because these kind of silly mistakes are not tolerable on the center. People do say that, sir, I traveled from so long, I forget to carry my hard copy of Aadhaar card. I just took the a Xerox copy or some kind of thing. Although Xerox is also work, but yeah, don't do it. If they are talking about your original photo identity proof for verification, then take that original one, okay. Original means original. You can't take print or that Xerox. It can be considered in the worst case, but don't do it. Always carry the original stuff or whatever instruction is provided. So pause the video and read the instruction right away, okay. As you can see, TCS NQT pattern, which most of the people are knowing, but still people do ask, yeah, how many questions I need to target. See, at least 50% questions of each section you need to target, so that you will be in the safer zone. And if you saw 50% of the question right and one programming question right, no one can steal digital offer from you. Clear? And if you're able to solve two questions, then definitely prime role. And if you are not able to solve any of the questions, you will get ninja role for sure, okay. And subjected to your advanced performance. If you are able to perform good in the advanced section, that there are chances that you may get the digital role as well, okay. So please look over to the patterns. I created tons of video making you understand about the pattern and the cutoffs. You can go and check that out. So important, check how to take input in the TCS NQT, as well as watch the shift solutions which I am posting. Like, please go and watch the solution, because shift 2 is nightmare nowadays. In one of the shift you got DP questions, in another of the shift you got graph question, and I don't know what will happen next, because in the DP shift I told that there are high chances you may get the graph question, and that happens. Okay, so you need to look over the suggestions which people are providing who have experience. So don't ignore those words. So now if they are asking DP and graph, and if you can see the questions were totally basic of that topic, it is not that hard. Okay, if you study DP, you will definitely study few kind of patterns, and that specific pattern question will come straightforward directly. And in the graph as well, if the people are from computer science and engineering, they definitely gone through this directional algorithm, critical sprints. Although you don't need to remember all algorithms, you need to remember the best one. As a digital algorithm is used to find the shortest path in acycle directed graph, you can take that and find it. Although I also created a video on the particular shift where I explained the directional algorithm, you can go and check that out. And yes, let's check about the mock tests and the resources which are available for free. So this is prime coding profile on top it. Okay, you can either take referrals. There are multiple things. You just need to click on this profile and straight away go and take your referrals, calls to the your expiring mentors who are working in a big product based company. But let's say if you are aiming TCS NQT, this is the best thing, which is 0 rupees. I provided this thing, and more than 65,000 people trusted our resources. So please come and take these resources and practice right away. You can see TCS NQT all shift coding questions and answers. You will get 3 of the detailed PDF where we have created a solution which you can take it and right away use it, so that you can practice for your upcoming test, isn't it? So now TCS tag exam, multiple things, okay, like referrals, referral one place, curated list, top 70 MCQ questions, and you name it, you will find it here. As you can see, you can just come either on a real TCS NQT mock test and click on get access, and you will get straight away get access of this mock test. You will ask, yeah, you told this 56 rupees. For that, you need to go from my description link. Okay, that particular link would be the comment below, which take you to directly to my profile. Then you need to pay 69. If you want to have discounts or any of the creator packages or on my packages, you can come from the description link. In the description, there will be provided 20% discounted link and the coupon code as well, which states Aditya IPN20. If you use that, you will get this add discount option here, and put that particular coupon, it gets 20% discount on any of the packages, not only on my profile, any of the top paid profile, if you gone through from my link. No creator can provide you 20% discount, is my bet to you. Okay, so this is from my side. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing it. Please like this video and share with your friends so that your friend can also download the admit card right away. So we'll meet you with a new video soon.